it
Guns
seems
N'
like it
Roses.
would be so easy, but it's actually really difficult.
Slash was already a heroin addict. Izzy was a heroin addict. Producer Mike Klink, one of his first jobs was to say to them,
They're all
"Go away
heroin
and get
addicts."
clean." You know, they haven't released any records. They have no money. It always teetered.
If I was in Hollywood, I would be dead already.
But
If I was a
Axl Rose
rock and roll
is
star,
determined that this
I'd
will
be
be
dead.
one of the greatest records
But look what I
ever
got.
made.
I got my
I've never
puppies.
seen
Hi,
anyone who
baby.
was so obsessed with every single
Lemmy
emotion of
and
every
Sergeant
word
Pepper.
being 100% accurate to what he was trying to deliver.
And then look what Laura got from Costco. This is a big bowl that you get. It's fettuccine with chicken and mushroom with the sauce. And I think it feeds like like 4 people. Man, it. It's a Costco frozen dinner thing for a family. Got mushrooms, pasta, and chicken. You gotta buy it. It's so good. 8 minutes in the microwave, and you got a dinner for 3 people. They say 4, but with me and Laura, she says, "You want to finish it?" I said, "I'll finish it." So it's for 2 people because we eat a lot. It's fantastic. It's unbelievable. This stuff. It's mushroom, a grilled chicken, and a pasta in a white sauce, a cheesy white sauce. It's not spicy or nothing. It's almost heavenly. Just look. I'll show you. Look at that pasta. I know I shouldn't use a spoon, but I'll take a taste test. I should use a fork. Laura said use a spoon because it's the end of it, but so you got to twist it. Oh look, and I got nothing. So I'll just pick up a big. Look at that. I'll pick up a big bite, and I'll do a taste test for you guys. How can I do that? I take a taste test, but I can't see the camera. All right, I'm gonna try. Here we go. Oh, it all fell off. Watch this. All I taste creamy mushroom and chicken noodles. I'm sure this is very inexpensive. It is so good. McConn's Barbecue. Peace out. Love and aloha to Scoggett. Mrs. Scoggett, hope you're doing good. My mom, Steve Martin, great comedian. He's so funny on the TV and on late night with Saturday Night Live. Steve Martin was so funny on the Tonight Show with Johnny Carson. Shout out to him. And see you guys later. Bye. Oh, you're so sweet. Hey, Blink.